Hello guys, and in today's video I will show you how to transfer your currency to another currency on trading 212. So just simply go over here to settings, but before we start, also please use my promo code this over here and just click on apply if you sign up on trading 212 and you will get 100 euros in stocks to up to 100 euros. And just go to manage funds and just click on convert, and here from euros, so 5 euros to USD, the fee are $0.01, so those are pretty low. So this is how you can convert your money to another currency. So I hope you enjoyed today's video and I will see you in the next one. Peace.